Hi folks, how are you? Uh, Today I am going to show you the comment abuse moderation. This is the highest paying hitapp on UHRS. You can find the guideline here. The issue with this hitapp is that the pay is highest on UHRS per hit. So each of the job is 5 cents. So it is 15 cents job available on Indian UHRS platform. I don't know about any other countries or marketplaces UHRS. I'm talking about my UHRS, that is the Indian one. So if you find this training material, the main goal of this heat-up is to identify whether the user names or comments in a news article, especially it is MSN News or Bing News, presenting defamatory, derogatory speech towards a user or a person. So you can see that attack, threaten, express prejudice, racist behavior, hate speech regarding minorities like Muslim, Jews, blacks, LGBT, or violence, or supporting groups, or supporting comments, all are abuse. But the main thing is that if a person is a public person, like President of India or like Prime Minister of India or Shahrukh Khan, then that doesn't mean if there is that doesn't count as abusive, okay, because they are leading public life. You can find examples here, and you can also find example without an abuse. So right now I can see that this comment, first of all you need to minutely read each and every comment, because we are non-native to English language. I'm not talking about the native speakers. We are non-native, so it may happen that some of the words or some of the stuff we don't know. In that case, you just need to select that word and Google it. So at first, I can see that it is about Kim. That is, we know this person. This is Kim Kardashian. So it is so this comment is about a public person who is leading a public life. Okay, so according to the guideline, this comment don't contain any abuse. So I just select this and click on no. The second one, whenever you press no, the next then you have to rate the next one, the next sentence, the next comment. And if you minutely study this, you can see that it is a constructive discussion. It is a general discussion. It is not an abuse. So it is also no. And it is a self-referential. Self-referential, I can say it is a prank. Hey, everyone, look at my body. So it is self-referential. So if you find, if you want to research, you can see in the guidelines that self-referential slangs don't fall under abuse. Okay, so it is not a slang, it is just a joke, just a prank. and it is self-referential. It is not about a user or a person. So this is a job, comment abuse moderation, and the process is that whenever someone put a comment on MSN News or Bing News, first of all that comment will be moderated by robots or bots. Bots first say, inspect that comment, and if they, because bots are not powerful yet, or they are not intelligent at human brain, so it is escalated to the second level, and this is the second level. It will be escalated to you, and your job is to minutely read each and every comment according to the guideline. Rate this whether it contains abuse or not, and you will get paid. And after that you have to press submit button. So this is the job. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment section. If you like this video, you can press the like button. You can share this video to your friends and colleagues, and you can subscribe my channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day. Hi folks, how are you? So I am explaining now the hitapp, comment profanity moderation. You can say it is an hitapp with the, it is an extension of the hitapp of comment abuse moderation. In comment abuse, we are screening those statements, those comments which contains defamatory, insulting, general insulting, rumor spreading, prejudice, and and the comment which supports violence. Now the extension is comment profanity moderation, where we are screening the F words or the slangs or, or profane words. Like the first one, you can see that here this word, if you Google it, you can know that what this word means, the meaning of this word. This word is very vulgar. So this kind of vulgar comments are not allowed on Bing News. So they, you need to inspect, you need to study, you need to minutely read the comments. If you are not comfortable with slang or abuse or vulgar, you can skip this tab. But the main goal is to filter out those comments which are not at all suitable for office environment or for a general audience. So you can see that this word is very vulgar word, and this word also. But there is no word which is very vulgar. So you just need to, because we are non-native speaker, we don't know UK, USA or Canadian slang or abuse or vulgar words. Some of them, some of ourselves may know, but maximum time you can research that word, like this kind of words, this kind of innovative slangs can be used, or acronyms which ultimately redirects, which ultimately shows that it is a profane word. So this kind of direct abuse or direct vulgar slang may be used, or it may happen that users are more creative. They are putting acronyms. They are putting acronyms like A star star HOLE. So this kind of acronyms. So you need to first of all study the guideline, then opt for the then appear for the certification, and you can, and after that you need to censor these type of comments which contains profane words or cursing words. So you just need to, if you find this statement contains a profane word, then you just need to click on yes. If it does not contain the profane word, you just need to press on no button. And after rating all this, you just need to press the submit button. The pay is 6 cents, so it is a good app, and this app is available each and every time whenever you open UHRS. So if you have any question, you can put your question on the comment section. If you want to subscribe my channel for this kind of informative video, you can subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And if you like this video, you can press the like button. You can share this video to your friends and colleagues. Thank you and have a nice day.